Welcome to another Charligans video. Today we are talking about something about the guideline ropes. We got asked many times that how to protect our dipole antenna from falling to the ground. And today we're going to talk about this topic. Maybe for a lot of users, using a guideline ropes for the antenna mast is not a problem for them, but for a lot of beginners, yes, it is. So let's get started and let's see how do we use the guideline ropes to protect the antenna mast from falling down. Let's go. First of all, we want to protect two pieces of the guideline ropes in certain length according to the heights of your antenna. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now this is ready, and today we're using a TP16. The very first question comes from where should we put the guideline ropes? And for TP16, the correct answer, not for TP16, for all the antenna mast, the correct position you want to put the guideline ropes will be the 2/3 or the 3/4 around that percentage of the length of the antenna mast. For TP16, because when it's extended fully, it will be 16 feet. So we want to put the guideline ropes around 12 feet. And now we want to put it onto the tripod and to the 12 feet position. And the next question comes to how do we tie a knot on the tripod? How do we do that? Okay, this is how. We put the line around where we want to tie the knot, and we put one end on the top of the other. And then we want to make a circle like that. And we put the threads into here a little bit, and now it's done. We just need to tie the other end of the line, and it become tight. And for this case, I'm not sure if it's called a sleeping knot. Maybe it's a slip knot. Maybe. And for this case, when you put the threads, when you want to take it down, you just need to pull it, and things are done. That's very easy. So we're gonna use it this way. Again, we wanna make it across this, make a circle, and then we put the threads into it, and then we've made one of the knots already, and now we want to make the rest 3. Okay, now we have tied all the 4 pieces of the guideline ropes onto the tripod, and now what we want to do next, we want to rise the tripod to its length before we tie this to another end to make the tripod stable. Okay, now we are rising the tripod. Okay, here we go. Here it is. So for now, this is not the correct length of the 2/3, but for demonstration purpose, we just put it here. And next thing we want to do, we want to tie the other end of the guideline ropes to a tree or to a ground rod. They're already set up. Let's go. So we take one of the guideline ropes to the ground rod or to a tree, whatever the situation you are. We want to go to and just tie it to here, not to make it too tight because here also the other 3 will go to different directions. And then we tie the knot. No matter how you want to do it, do it. And then we just want to make the other 3, and it's complete. Now we are done. We already tied all the 4 guideline ropes to its place. And let's take a look at this is how we do it. This is how it works. How do you use the guideline ropes to protect antenna mast? Have you learned it? Do you know how to do it now? And the last thing we want to do, we want to speak about a little bit about how to collect the guideline ropes. I will give you a tip. And we want to hold one end to the palm, and then very easy, we just roll it. When it's get very close, you just take it off and then wrap it up. Wrap it up and put it inside. And now here it is. Quite neat. Is that correct? Okay. This video is about it. See you next time. 73.